Bibian receive Kumasi Central officiating. Let's not get it wrong. What happened at Kumasi Central and officiating?
It was a referee's name was mentioned
when you mention
in the middle of it.
When you mention officiating, when a referee is involved in a car accident and you officiating.
Okay, and involving referee and also.
But you see, I can say, oh, Sadia Ba, Bibian no a chess a referee be. I be a Ukruma, will be a record.
Police centers, there are records there. Say a certain police officer attempted manipulating the Kotoko All Blast game. And he has to take a Kotoko player to report.
And I heard
the police station is here.
There's a police station, a police of records. Police station, one year library. They don't keep any records in a police for by. The only thing. Bet as a referee were involved. See, I'm the ASEM court. Now, Kotoko determine. Police don't determine. They don't determine crime. I know I'm investigate crime. We are suspect. Instead of be could be a suspect. Near the court. Man had not court after 3 weeks. Police for the record.
Oh, there's some investigation. There's something said.
Investigation, baby.
As and when they are ready now.
By 3 weeks, you should be in court. 3 weeks. What's our court? I don't even know Rana. ASEM be
3 weeks.
Court never catch a police for prosecutor and say police can say me to investigate. Yes, okay. Kotoko. For I know, there's nobody has arraigned anybody or court. This has the Munya Kakra. That's a crap. More free. Yes, and can come out in the Mbekasem.
Say the idea.
The BNC home.
I said maybe you will know. BNC. The entire.
And Rechi, I do be court now or court to a Juada.
Tama.
Oh, Bafo Young.
You remember Kotoko issue a statement on this matter?
Oh,
I'm talking about Kotoko.
Now
the new board.
Who's the police? One Kakoto.
No.
So Kakotoko assembly. Young Kakotoko. Who's the police? Let's keep to the police. And Vakotoko, me say. A brand tenor on some new police station. On am the baby. Police from Fanungo court. Your man and Koya, we will be. Why are we talking about?
The association is say, some of women number some of him.
As I say, man.
Ghana for ways.
I'm in our way. But for our information, Omo can say police na dey echi go di match na no kre.
When
no need di omo they change the referee. No need this
because the FA saw the seriousness of the
maybe I'm just correcting something. I met referees B. Na incomodity dem no me say there be.
Omo tie ASEM no.
Omo we am omo no go di match no until let's also keep
okay. And what time you clue cra?
We know Mr. We are facing.
Oh, me come.
But we ain't going.
And another number point I am coming. Yeah, then.
Go to the Opa, man, Jobeko police station. Case the new Mukrat.
Oh, I said, I told you, I know some case. I will be a
case in a crat also.
Nice, will be a
danger next year. Your point, yeah, your point.
One complaint.
Complaint as they say in Momo. Nothing Cabaho, K5 Baho, Alessam the men Baho. So this
the last time go ahead.
Oh, the last time come the particular say do kwema.
Me say the last time you that bang. Oh, but for Nanzoni abute kra. The last time that bang no go police station mo go bi mu.
And I'm going to play no come and control no.
Ka say why na kwe that bang
last week Tuesday.
Did it then?
It trail me. Nye we out last week.
To aso ne nko na. Me pa asem no kra embese e do ho bebam nya saka. Ntu de nko e.
Na me de me asem no me na me no me because as somebody say kase be di echiri Kotoko board no ma ba no
any di echiri
e be di echiri e be busa won sem omo let of which e be busa nsem Kotoko penifo omo ko na penkra no e be busa won sem Alexander Manu no because people are even fingering them say omo kra no they been boxed they can throw the case away na that they omo nyina no
told them me say asem no Kotoko fo eja echiri di police for
the ba Kotoko ntimi nya echiri di sa asem omo issue statement omo eja echiri di e no me
any police station
omo nkobu sa papa the case bi o wa
hey Mr. Wiafe
omo twam
we sa we tama Kotoko fo ntimi nya asem na chi di yem
babo yo na
before say be kon unko Mr. Wiafe home basi
case bi ani obiem
mensuro
case bi
ani say my team for update to show you so say ah
Mr. Watson of Kotoko for go nyon
Mr. Wiafe from nyon
omo je ejedi
Kotoko fo ntimi enter the brand eye on this matter
sure I had a nyame a rubri center nwa Say see a program maybe we 12. Fetch ho. Ne ko bisa me we have said that Ben asem no mu di ho ngomo. E chika ka yem be chiwo. E free kwesi ada na asem ko ho no.
It big Bribery say go for ebu
e promo ha. Me nda na omre ko ombo kwesi ada no bi ansi obi mu.
Oh, time I'm the boy na kwam akotwe ni masem. So what can I catch no? Ye mama too afre so interested in the case.
E dey enko ye
bo. Ba ka ni nyina wa ha.
Ko bi gina tara abonyo no ye ntie ni.
Oh, enu dey say come on.
This is dangerous. Danger, this is dangerous.
No, but this is dangerous.
No, this is dangerous.
Kotoko cannot
this is
allow
dangerous.
themselves this matter.
This is dangerous.
Asema mo si player say e kwa je bribe ba ko pe no yi ni hu fi mu. Am Kotoko mu.
Na case no ma foolish case no.
Na Kotoko met ma e bet ma
problem. No to we are commissioner you for said.
Dabi. Moto you know Kotoko. Yes, ano. Opin so dey
danger o dey me ya for na wie. Head of sports kasa e be commissioner you for this here. Moto head of sports kasa ye di mirika be commissioner you for aba sisi a. E dey update aba o dey. Moto
abane say Kotoko company for aka kire omom dey asem no call police station no. Bribe sense omon ko yimfiri ho. Bribe you my withdraw and say I can say in no there's no case.
That's investigation you no.
There's no case here.
Some of the statement but some be investigation no you
there be internal investigation is different from the criminal.
They all a police no there.
So the basis of
police a crime the criminal deal with their players. I investigation. That will inform that is for them. But some more police for what I say, Sani man almost but Harris and Santi Oba. When the phone so aqua still.
Coffee written. I'm only now baby Falcon.
Sir,
say,
but then you're
okay, said the act of the crime, no, so police for they can decide to continue with it.
Yeah,
so that's
so many. Offer witness no.
Now for witness one, but now witness no. Omom say witness no so ma we do am case. So tell me say. E dey be a police will decide to continue.
Now ma dance here on be court no way.
Oh, be ma boada say on say e bi kra ye kase. They have been able to engage the FA because the referee no are part of the association. And a club now ye bone din no. Omo say omo ye part of the association. Today can find another way but me am dey asem
criminal proceedings. No court. What's say complain they are 7 by no wow wo di dance na afre no se me ma na dance so ntimi for so bi so oni ntiji boy am so wo ye wo yi a case ni ye but the woman say Kotoko for accept o mani nyi ho biem on bi say enye good for their image so be na Kotoko nam court na we bi di dance ye ke kuma player so they are conduct
one Kotoko mo kan sa accept na
mama sa titi. Yeah, because last 5 now, how I can be.
This is dangerous, extremely dangerous.
Catch another dangerous about
how? It is in Congress.
Thank you.
Congress is dangerous.
What is say?
Congress got you right
now.
Asante Kotoko think that at this stage of club, no.
But no, only issue statement.
Oh, me ba. More can you mabomu? Statements no different.
As a result of the police station,
almost and as a example, as a sifia or a pa and as a
this is first start
between Siasi and Harry. Example, na ba akwa police station say we are bombing. Na I the police for Siasi amu friend go maybe. Na here we our own internal mechanisms dey a certain to kwa bi ba kwa di ana baby binti no police assembly dey move but we are conducting our own internal investigation nin Congress no dangerous no there so Kotoko wants to establish their own case and yet criminal aspect say yemfo bi nko court no domo yo mo we mu
Kotoko na dan police ada no bi aye na the final can be
say asem say we tell ya ne aye
mu de nti asem we si ase ano say na nti ase ko echi oti
bu be boy amane say mo investigation
they have not stopped the investigation. The police is different from Kotoko as an entity. Kotoko gusu yo mo we mu to establish whether indeed play a B, there was an attempt on him anase on play bi ko di bibi na mum de police sem police for ye de am pray aye ma
the police
as say board na this
say the Kotoko board ni management o mo run asem
as say lawyer ba ko pen
ti de pese ma ba fo wati ase ni say ase ka say asem ni police for o mo Kotoko ma o mo yo ma de
okay
Kotoko for this at the police for from Omonko
na say police of proper na ko
okay
ne case bia o
Franco say
so do asem ko na asem mi ni echi bi ma police in the for and na court to cry no court e for say me dia dance etim ka mi ni dance di
okay
tino yen kwa
asem we dey ye be kom
you be supina when you are a criminal me nam de masema balance me ni achi bi u supina am say
so say time we ba becho
yen sa mo de say mo bra ha
tama
mo agwa na sem na anye yi ato
yet me trigger the law of deceit of public office
what is it one me dey say me nam say me ni achi
na ba ka kire say obi am bribe say wo boa
bribe dey wo mo
and Alexander Benunu deceit of public office no e be activate salon na ma yakoche chichi wo mo hwe
wo boa
ajibi a che
me boa ni mi ni achi bi mu nya de kunu me nka say me na obi bo masum e na am say
ase we dey on be send dey akire
dino e go
tama ase we
ma me ko na me ko ba
o ma go for we see time o case we on papa ja wa omo
ti and they want empower me and I will go into this case and I will delve into it. Na you ko fa Kotoko statement ni abusa wo mo nsema mate wadaroma
na Kotoko say to police for dim
the same investigation there case na statement on issue you know it came as a result of what happened at the police station and in and around their player and until mo release player
police statement
and until mo release player na man be tro na no mu nsema no
and the police
Kotoko for office mo discontinue case na mo control mo chitafo so mo discontinue case yet maybe so mo nsema
statement to put an end to all this. Kotoko say they are conducting their own internal investigation. They have not stopped. And that has got nothing to do with what the police is doing. And Tiben ko come to deceive anybody.
Oh!
Debbie, no. Kotoko say, whether why they all struggle together.
Where do you find the deceit in this?
Oh, but there's an attempt to work better 3 times. Can't police no investigation
because say asem see here to the man for be ka kire ye say
combine the police investigation and the Kotoko investigation Kotoko nka so major investigation here omo hwehwem at their own level what they are not interested any the criminal aspect say police near be court this animal it is the end of the season. We will take a decision on those players. Kotoko mun conduct own investigation to determine whether indeed and on say police needing woman. Kind me Solomon on my dear kind. So best go can we boom. Until back to our ASEM so mun can police ASEM.
Who say why am obi taking interest?
Or see the meeting or say the board Emmanuel Asante Kotoko. Sporting yesterday May 26 held a meeting with the players and technical team to discuss the team disappointing performance. Okay. And down. The meeting also addressed allegations of attempted bribery involving some players ahead of our last game.
Some players.
Man, don't confuse anybody. Obi any madieti. And say management has commenced a thorough investigation into the matter and remains committed to uncovering the full facts. The board and management commend particularly for its professionalism, integrity, and commitment to the values of Asante Kotoko by promptly bringing allegations to the attention of the club. Kotoko treats issues of such nature with the utmost seriousness, and as such, any individual found culpable following the investigation will face the appropriate disciplinary measures. The club remains committed to upholding the highest standards of integrity, professionalism, and accountability of all at all times. What has police got to do with this? As some of them can say, I will now wait. Yeah, and we have the capacity to do it. Who can police move ahead?
That's what I'm going to
oh, not so corner because it's over. Because
I wonder,
Katana calling
for police want to copy Kanyasa na Kotoko. Now we'll see. who person your investigation and police want everything to help
it
do
has been
investigation.
brought to their attention as a football club. Their attention have been drawn to allegations of this, and we are conducting our investigation. The supporters now the ASEM police station. We feel that this one ASEM also police. We can conduct our own internal investigation. Ever police in Mumbai.
Okay, so what do you mean is that when it becomes the state versus those people now, then the police can still bring Kotoko in. Kotoko decided to debate now, but the police not pick it up. Now someone decided say this is a criminal matter involved with the state. What is about football, right? It's just that Kotoko cannot run away from it.
And the meaning.
That's another aspect of it.
The meaning they say Kotoko your man.
They can do almost
my police there. They say I can say police station. Kotoko ASEM ni. I'm the mungo inflow in interested.
And
a mungo court.
And there's
no confirmation about the case no matter.
There's no case.
There's a case now.
No police is no case.
There's a commissioner for
so we can't send me busana sema. I need information.
No to me on the Saturday any day. You conclude the case now a foolish case.
But one year.
And a danger case will back
that time. No man catch omom the case so supporters leaders say. Mungo yasem nimfrio. I'm telling you. Why they have talked what man checking from Omo normal press conference before. Omo normal press conference say Pennyfon can't show me some withdraw case nana. They don't think that is giving the club any good
what
image.
happens to the
It's
still with the police. The $1,000 is still with the police.
Me that's a power story now, but this is my opinion. Regards to the image of the club, me want to say withdrawing the case is even dangerous to the image of the club than pursue the case. Yes. This is it.
Club no be your investigation. I'm finding about.
The best people to help you with the investigation is the police. No matter how intelligent or panel on people who have specialized. Say assembly we baby only hobby.
Oh, what kind of statement here?
The
statement sought to suggest to say, and you need
exactly.
They have information. It just said some other players may have been involved.
Exactly.
Some players, no. Now, police for them go through statement. Players, no. So at the end, say some might have even happened.
And
to almost your investigation that will help them to do a personal way of every player in the club. Kotoko is going bigger than one issue with the police.
But you have to want to. But say the thing, without the police, what they seek to achieve will be difficult.
It was investigating police from Ghana.
Say private investigators, but Ghana do the leveler. Private investigators are those who are to the extent say.
Now say police for retired police people.
But granted. But where they can you say? Here is the case. Enya Asante Kotoko players and Akucha Beto. And I say no, because if it was that case, and you where Obi are approaching him. Okay. So the person that you need to go after to get to the bottom to know the or approach him. In the same ki ebe wie ni enya ntia say bia say obed and a discover Kotoko player na bia Patrick Esidwa say obed na nanim begu ase enya Kotoko
a limited understanding of here where to the information they have.
Good.
And some more matete
any do
the omo hunu the omo nya ho dance here from other players no is ASEM no and you way just this. There are a lot of issues they need to
so
find out.
Other ones no, can be resolved behind the scenes.
I don't know what you're saying.
No, but when you when there, as someone says so nipa na mo san be so ni mu na agu ni ho anim ase o. In this case, Senka, you fan say. Yes, oh, many problem. I'm hand you to if I say Ka Patrick anasa Kotoko player no. Eje. And later, obi momu ba ba hwehwe mu. Amana ba abontia ke ASEM. But this is the case, somebody decided to collaborate to expose the criminal, and the criminal in this case is not within the Kotoko family, unless someone patch the one within.
Okay, about for Mikaiji Bo's position. Okay, say. First of all, they don't think that should have been the approach.
Granted, but how they baby?
Your team managers, your chairman for there were people around the team. Are you saying, say, it is a bro, be attempt of a be bribe of we should go to the police? We should conduct our own investigation.
No, this is it. The IMC chairman at that time was aware of the whole process, leading to case Neko police station.
Oh yeah, no, my friend. Yeah.
Moto leading to the whole process. Now this baby, you see, you are dealing with the public. Okay, the perception of the public matters in situations like this.
When they finish,
but you need to move with the public trust when it comes to an institution. Now the news ne se Kotoko na nkasa no. Echitafo ni bi so original e. E de asem ne ko e ne mpanifo aka kirom so munyi asem ni nkofia. Even what is that? You see, you need to move with the public trust too. What has been the update after the first release?
You know what the public want to hear? When you finish your investigation and give them the information, that's what they want.
So this is a criminal issue. And whoever is involved should face the law.
Okay.
That will be the likely conclusion.
Can statement be?
No matter what I say. But withdrawing the case from police station, other investigation, we have no problem. They should conduct that one because it is out there. Say people feel that other place were involved. But the moment ASEM every police station, it means that you have no interest in it. So next time, you are creating an environment where it will be easier for another person to enter the system.
Statement. Okay, I won't conclude say that. I'm so Kotoko board na board could almost so sign him.
Ghana police for ASEM. Shishem amanfo adnajo omanda the evidence aba enu adura chire this inspekiwo wherever the call is coming from wherever the call is coming from people can draw their own conclusions and the conclusions will not be positive for the club.
Conclusion the tie kwa so bia draw
obetimi adro say ne adema fa chire nkofo bia kodi nkomo ena mo ye asem ni fi asem ana anasem penifo na nkasa na bi hu bo asem ni mu ana
penifo be board for no man
no make us penifo hu bo penifo bi hu bo asem because when these things happen it normally look like when I asem ni e be do mu asikopa ko piase no na bia opanyini bi hu bo mu enti yendum ja no.
It is the best decision any group will take. Any institution is the best. Is the best decision any institution.
Oto yenya institutions are.
Me key workers. Na me da same say make us we conduct our own internal investigation.
Yenya institutions are. Key workers even including banks. Fa image banks ya baby because ye this cartoon. Anything about their image. Yenya banks are call for workers have been involved in issues. Our mama police no. Our prosecutor mama ye di bia too. What I say? And banks cried and come back and say, yeah, no, internal.
They could come back to the police.
I'm the two. The Kobas over here.
There
were a few questions to ask. One when they call a case in the police station.
Second paying for.
Not danger or hunting danger. One when a case.
They call police station. They call Kotoko, Alexander Menu.
Say they are only also when they see I didn't come.
Okay.
Simple question. You don't go
complainant near Kotoko.
Asante Kotoko.
Asante Kotoko
football club. Oh yeah, sure. And yeah, support a bidding.
There be.
They find out to you. They will find out to you. They tell me this question. It's a question very important. So tell me to say. Kotoko na ye case ne dia asam can be different. Say maybe I got to support a bin a case now. Asam so can be different.
At least
unyanya sure no.
Me 100% but you say Alexander Menu chama kefa fu nyina atro
mo represent Kotoko.
Nana Pinkra at that time now I think he still represent Kotoko.
David
Eba
ho because the supporters na nya issue.
I know friends every.
Any friends home.
Is he a choke center na eba or
maybe I do a case ni pa na nya Nana Pinkra wo gina o Kotoko. Nti I know you're very important. So I know you're very important. Then the me I establish say Kotoko as a football club, even from day one, no more interested in the case or no more interested in the case. On say about see day one na issue ni ba na make say how the case was handled and you're right. Americano omudi call Central Police Station. It was not right. Say na ye bibia e damage the image of the club. A management no and the board no and also we take case no. No supporters.
But boss, but you will like a crane. For what I heard before a case never back way. But you can see the first person he informed was the team manager. Then the team manager informed the coach. Then the coach send me back. Enti saa la ni nyina omu nim ade no the napping car was away
eno omu nyina eja ye enti mebo eno omu nyina eja ye no mo supporters never case
enti where the setup came in say
on say saa nyoma we hear back
the initially no
saa nyoma we on ba for if you don't change things on there be an ebedu stage bi na supporters are be taking leadership role of the club, they will be acting like management or board of the club. Ebini enra let ya ebe to hai
obeso kan men kan ma
from Asante Kotoko Sporting Club supporters chairman Sulu and I will say or tunensa e dia frɛ ye supporters who or past board members, past chief executive members, current board members, past management staff, patrons, advisors, advisory board, past chairpersons, executives, all regional councils, the chairman, vice chairman, secretary, all WhatsApp groups, online, I'm going to the agenda. A comprehensive review of the club's performance during the just ended Ghana Premier League. How?
Western region for so many years, you know.
This has always been the tradition.
Tradition.
Yeah.
Oh, but if this is the even this is
K5 ABA invited the past management.
Oh, but should we entertain this?
What discuss the supporters?
No, the discussants are supported, but they invite management.
How are you going to review their club's performance?
Oh, that's what they do. They invite you.
How review club ne performance league na your boy? How? Review. Is this professional? Whereby you have management, your technical team, your board. Hey, yo, master DSA, when they do it and get it wrong.
That's why everybody is being invited.
Your boss is in area. Supporters some go from in review.
Global ne hwan no.
They said they better check. I dey we there. On train letter nsa no nsa nkobiem. Na wo mra. E be supporters in the season e ba na wi e ko hokwan e contribute to the club.
Sa no mo ko. But sa no mo ye no. I don't invite my bro.
Higher contribution to the
which
club.
Which me my representative management in such a meeting. Supporters as a workers discuss. Me invite general manager. Me invite general manager ni CEO so most mo mbra bi. Sana comprehensive review. Technical team. What technical
team? You make 4:30 on highway. But you see the point he wants to make. We are supporters 7 hour level. The contribution of the supporters, but the comprehensive review of the team should be done by those who are in charge.